Hey everyone! Italian is a really cool language. It sounds like music. It's the language of opera and love songs. Learning Italian is like opening a secret door to a world of amazing things, like history, art, and yummy food. Imagine yourself in Rome, ordering gelato in a big sunny square. Or picture yourself in Florence, talking about famous paintings with people who live there. Knowing Italian makes traveling way more fun. Italy is super interesting, from its old ruins to its fancy fashion shows. But to really get to know Italy, you gotta learn its language. It's the key. Italian comes from Latin. It's a Romance language like Spanish and French. Lots of people speak Italian, over 60 million around the world. It's famous for sounding smooth and being easy to show your feelings with. Italian also has some awesome writers like Dante, Petrarch, and Boccaccio. Their books are still important today. Learning Italian means learning grammar rules, how to change verbs, and lots of new words. It's a fun journey, and every step gets you closer to speaking Italian like a pro. Italian food is more than just eating. It's a party. They use fresh ingredients and keep things simple. Pasta is a big deal, and there are tons of different kinds. From creamy carbonara to spicy arrabbiata, every part of Italy has its own special pasta. Pizza, another famous Italian food, started in Naples. Its thin crust and tasty toppings are famous everywhere. But there's way more to Italian food than just pasta and pizza. You can try creamy risotto in the north of Italy, or fresh seafood in the south. And don't forget gelato. It's the perfect way to end any Italian meal. Italy is a dream come true for anyone who loves art. The whole country is like a giant museum. It's full of famous masterpieces. The Renaissance, a time when art and science exploded, started in Italy. It gave us geniuses like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. People come from all over the world to see their amazing work. From the Duomo in Florence to the Colosseum in Rome, Italy's buildings are incredible. They tell stories of powerful empires and talented artists. Section 5. Celebrating life, Italian traditions and festivals. Italians love to celebrate. Traditions and festivals are super important to them. Every part of Italy has its own special celebrations. Venice has a huge party called Carnevale with tons of bright colors. Siena has the Palio, a crazy horse race. Religious festivals with parades and big meals are also a big deal. These traditions show us what Italian culture is all about, being warm, friendly, and having fun together. Section 6. Language as the key. Unlocking Italian history and culture. Learning Italian isn't just about memorizing words. It's about understanding Italian history and culture. When you know the language, history comes to life. Reading Italian books teaches you about different times and how Italian society changed. Speaking Italian lets you talk to Italians about more than just the weather. You can talk about art, history, and culture, and really get to know what Italy is all about. Section 7. The power of ciao everyday encounters and cultural exchange. Speaking Italian makes traveling so much better. Even simple things become more fun. Ordering a coffee becomes a chance to chat with the barista. Asking for directions can turn into a mini lesson about Italian culture. You can connect with people, share a laugh, and make awesome memories. Language helps people understand each other. It makes it easier to experience Italy like a local. Section 8. Beyond the textbook. Resources for mastering AP Italian. Doing well in AP Italian takes work. Use lots of different resources. Textbooks are great for the basics, but don't stop there. Listen to Italian music, watch Italian movies, and read Italian news articles. Surround yourself with the language. Talk in Italian as much as you can. Find a language partner or join an online group. The more you use Italian, the better you'll get. Section 9. Embracing the journey. A world of opportunities awaits. Learning Italian is a journey. There will be tough parts, but the rewards are worth it. Be proud of how far you've come. Speaking Italian opens doors to new opportunities, whether it's for school, work, or just for fun. Jump into the world of Italian language and culture. It's an experience you'll never forget, and it'll make your life so much richer. You won't regret it.